Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Kerr, and this is my introduction video to Social Work 520. We'll begin by just briefly talking about some research experience that I've had in the past. The only research experience I've had thus far was about 6 years ago when I was a senior in college. I decided to do an independent research course with my ethnic studies departmental chair. And that course was kind of unique because it was just her and I in that course. And she acted as a mentor and she, graded my papers, obviously, and she held me accountable and gave me benchmarks to reach throughout the research process. But she also gave me the full autonomy to come up with my own topic and kind of shape the research the way in which I wanted to. And the topic at that time that I came up with was taking a closer look at the N-word. And I did a lot of research on the history of the N-word. And throughout my paper, when I wrote it, I was arguing to my audience that Black people should actually not use the N-word. Walking away from that research experience, I pretty much liked it. I enjoyed it because the topic was something that was just so intriguing and just so interesting to me. And I felt like, I was in full control of it because it wasn't a topic that was given to me. I chose that topic. So I did like that experience. The only thing that I would say about that was it would get frustrating sometimes writing, the paper, because I would write it and then bring it to my professor and then find out that I would have to rewrite a lot of it and it was always a constant back and forth of writing and rewriting. So the writing process throughout the research was frustrating at times. But other than that, I pretty much really enjoyed the process. What makes research fun for me is the topic. If it's a really intriguing, interesting topic that I could relate to or, that I just think is really just interesting to learn about, that has me that much more engaged in the research and excited to do the work. Lastly, some things that I'm looking forward to learn in this class is learning how to identify the ethical issues associated with social work research, and then also learning how to critique culturally sensitive research in this field. So that's my introduction. I'm excited to take on this class with you guys.